As you can see from the title of this video, I finally hit 1,000 followers on Instagram, and today I'm going to show you how I did it. Now, first of all, you're going to need a short username. So no underscores, no points, no dashes. You want something that's short and concise and that links to your niche. So for example, I was in the travel niche, so my name was travel. I'm not going to give you my username just for privacy, but that's how I made it have travel and something next to it. So when you search for it, people are going to go travel and find it. Then what you're going to need is a profile picture. It's not very important. You don't have to personalize it, but you need one. You don't want that gray little man. You want a profile picture that's colorful, that people can just click on it and know exactly what your niche is about. Then, of course, you need good content. You can also just find them from other people and repost them and give credits to those people, but it has to be good content, obviously. Then, a very, very important part is post consistently. So you want to have at least one post per day or two. I go personally for one post because that's the easiest way to go for me. Now that your page is set up, you want to go and get more followers. So one of the most important things is to have a story ring around your profile picture. Now, why? That is because when people are going to see your profile picture or see your photo, they're going to look at that ring, and if it's on, that means you're active, and no one wants to follow an inactive account. Then you're going to look at hashtags. Hashtags are a bit less important now, but they're still very useful to get your posts out, especially when you're a smaller account on the wider page. So what you're going to have to do is not copy and paste always the same hashtags. You're going to have to try and find 3 sets of hashtags. So what I did is I looked at all the most popular hashtags for travel, nature, niche, and then I separated them in 3 categories from most to least, and then mixed them up to have 3 sets. I put set 1 on the first post, set 2 on the second post, set 3 on the third post, and then on the 4th post I go back to set 1, etc. Now you do that because the algorithm is going to look that you're always using the same ones and it's going to promote less your post. Then after hashtags, you want to like people's posts. If you're not active, Instagram is going to show you less. So what I do personally is I go in a hashtag. So for me, I go into nature photography and I go into the most recent tabs, and that's when all the posts that people put are the most recent, so they're like connected. And so what I do is I like 20 posts on the first ones. So I like 20 posts, then I refresh and I like another 20 posts. So I do that 5 times, so in total that's 100 posts. And usually you're going to get a return. Most of them are not going to like your posts back, but like a good percentage are going to. So that's an easy way to get likes and an easier way to get followers. You want active followers. You're not going to follow nature niche posts pages. You're going to follow people that follow them. You're going to go into those big pages and then go into their posts, and you're going to look at the first 3 posts that they posted, the latest ones, and you're going to choose the one with the least amount of likes and go into the like category and like and follow at least 20 to 25 people in this. Now, why you do that is because those people are the most active followers of the page, and they are probably the ones who will follow you back because they like the same content. Now, for those people, you're going to try and follow the ones who have a face picture in it, so they are real people that are just individuals that just like those kind of posts. And if you can, you're going to try and follow those private accounts, because those accounts will receive notifications about your follow and are more likely to see it and then follow you back. Now, after this is all done, you're going to wait a day, and then you're going to unfollow the accounts, but only the accounts that didn't follow you back. You want to keep those accounts that followed you, because if you unfollow them, they are very likely to unfollow you back right after. So after you've done all that, you need to stay consistent. The way Instagram works is the more posts you post, the more they're going to show it. And so you're going to go from 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 likes, and then it only goes up 50, 75, 100, 120, and that's how you get the most amount of followers, because the more your posts are being shown, the more followers are likely to follow you. So that is how you eventually gain 1,000 followers. Personally, for me, I started in April 2021 and I've managed to reach that point in beginning of February. So this took me about 10 months to achieve. However, I've had issues because I was not posting consistently, and sometimes for a couple weeks I slacked off and didn't post anything. So when I came back on the platform, my posts that I was posting were getting less like and were getting less viewed. But the more I posted, the more my posts were getting viewed, and the more traction I was getting, and the more followers I got. You always want to get like a goal for daily followers. So it can be 1, 2, 5 or 10. Currently I am on 10 followers a day, which is the goal I am trying to keep, and that's what is driving me. Also, a little tip for staying consistent is to use a app that can schedule your posts. So I personally use Later. So once every month, I get a lot of pictures, put them on Later, put them on a calendar, and every morning I receive a notification telling me you have to post this, and I have the caption already written. The only thing that I have to do is post it, copy the caption, get a tag, and I am done. Also, you don't want auto post, because if you auto post your posts, you're never going to engage with your audience. You'll get less traction. So you want to post them yourselves and get the notification so that you're active on the platform. Personally, in my journey, it was very fun and kind of stressful sometimes because I wasn't getting the amount of traction I wanted to get, and that is a normal thing to have. But after some point, you reach a bigger, more follower growth that it gets very enticing and really appreciative. And now I am trying to get 5,000 followers. Also, after the 1,000 followers stage, you get the ball rolling, and you normally are getting more followers. Currently, I am at 15 to 20 followers a day, even though I'm still staying in my goal of 10 minimum. So that is what was working for me. I hope this helped, and if you want to put your Instagram account in the comments so that we can see it and we can check it out, maybe help you, give advices, this could be very helpful. You can also get free publicity from the others who can see your Instagram account, and that's how you grow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.